Hello, and welcome to our video on OAuth 2.0. In today's digital age, security is paramount, and that's where OAuth 2.0 comes in. OAuth 2.0 is a protocol for securely authorizing and authenticating applications and users. This video will explain what OAuth 2.0 is, how it works, and its various use cases. What is OAuth 2.0? OAuth 2.0 is an authorization protocol that allows applications to access protected resources on behalf of a user without requiring the user to share their credentials with the application. This is done by issuing an access token that the application can use to access the protected resources. OAuth 2.0 is widely used to authenticate and authorize web and mobile applications, APIs, and other digital services. How does OAuth 2.0 work? OAuth 2.0 works through a series of steps that involve the user, the application, and the authorization server. The main components of OAuth 2.0 are the user, the application, the authorization server, and the resource server. OAuth 2.0 components. The user is the person who wants to access the protected resources. The application is the software that wants to access the protected resources on behalf of the user. The authorization server is the server that issues access tokens to the application. The resource server is the server that holds the protected resources. OAuth 2.0 flow. The OAuth 2.0 flow consists of several steps. First, the user requests access to a protected resource. The application then redirects the user to the authorization server, where the user is asked to authenticate and authorize the application to access the protected resource. The authorization server then issues an access token to the application, which the application can use to access the protected resource. There are several types of OAuth 2.0 grants, including the authorization code grant, implicit grant, and client credentials grant. Each grant type has its flow and is used for different scenarios. OAuth 2.0 use cases. OAuth 2.0 is used in a variety of applications and scenarios, such as social login, API access, and federated identity. Social login. Social login allows users to log in to an application using their social media accounts, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter. OAuth 2.0 enables social login by allowing applications to request access to the user's social media account and then use the access token issued by the social media provider to authenticate the user. API access. API access enables applications to access protected resources on behalf of a user, such as an email, contacts, or calendar. OAuth 2.0 enables API access by allowing applications to request access to the user's protected resources and then issuing an access token that the application can use to access those resources. Federated identity. Federated identity allows users to log in to multiple applications using a single set of credentials, such as their corporate or university login. OAuth 2.0 can be used as part of a federated identity system to grant access to protected resources across multiple domains and organizations. Advanced OAuth 2.0 terms. OAuth 2.0 supports many advanced features and use cases, such as token introspection, dynamic client registration, and federated identity. Token introspection allows an application to check the validity of an access token with the authorization server. Dynamic client registration allows an application to register with the authorization server during runtime. Federated identity enables the sharing of identity information across multiple domains and organizations and can be implemented using various standards such as OpenID Connect and SAML. Security considerations. While OAuth 2.0 is a powerful and flexible protocol, it also introduces potential security risks, such as token leakage, token hijacking, and unauthorized access. To mitigate these risks, OAuth 2.0 includes various security mechanisms such as token expiration, token revocation, and token binding. Token expiration. Token expiration limits the amount of time an access token can be used, reducing the risk of unauthorized access if a token is stolen or leaked. Token revocation. Token revocation enables an authorized party to revoke an access token if it is no longer needed or if it has been compromised. Token binding. Token binding provides additional security by binding an access token to a specific device or browser, making it more difficult for an attacker to use a stolen token. In conclusion, OAuth 2.0 is a powerful and widely used protocol for authorizing and authenticating applications and users. It enables secure access to protected resources and supports a variety of use cases, from social login to federated identity. While OAuth 2.0 includes various security mechanisms, it is important to be aware of potential risks and implement appropriate security measures. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.